Hey, Olivia. So, I'm sorry about everything the other night. It was very not cool of me to go off on you like that. I guess with the pressure that Dr. Hodges has been putting on me and the stuff that's been going on with Lee, I'm just not myself right now. I shouldn't have taken it out on you, and I know you don't want to talk to me right now, but I don't want to wait to apologize, so hopefully you can watch this without smashing your computer. It's just Dr. Hodges, he started listening to the show and he's pressuring me to get the rest of the episodes finished so he can hear them. He says that the whole first season needs to be done before we leave for Christmas, and I was going to take a break this month. It's a lot of work. I'm barely keeping up with my other classes, and I just don't know how I'm going to do it. Millie is giving me a hard time with getting the work done, and then there's the local paper that wants an interview about Lord Dinby Witherspoon, Duke of Space, and I just don't want to deal with any of it. And then there's the thing with Lee, you know. I'm just so tired. So, I'm sorry, okay? Please don't be mad at me anymore. You're the most awesome person in the world, and I'm the worst person in the world for going off at you. Oh, and I still have to put up the first episode of the next adventure tomorrow night. Actually, I think you might like this one. It's got a character from one of the other radio shows of the time. It's really strange that they did crossovers back then. Anyway, please, please, please don't be mad. I'll be your best friend. Okay, I'll try and stop being crazy.